Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can automatically save your Facebook story. So it's pretty simple. First, after opening Facebook, click on menu at the bottom right. And from menu, you want to scroll a bit down. Click on where it says settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, click on where it says setting. Once you click on setting at the top, you can see the search icon. Click on the search icon. And now search for story. Once you search for story, you can see this option called stories. Click on stories, and it's going to show you all this option from over here versus the third option, story archive. Click on it. Once you do that, make sure story archive is turned on, because if story archive is off, then you need to manually save it. If it is on, then whenever you upload a story, it's gonna be automatically saved on your Facebook story archive, which means even after 24 hours, your story will not be deleted. It's going to be saved on your Facebook archive forever, until and unless you delete it yourself. So that's how we guys can automatically save your Facebook story. And if you want to know how to look at your Facebook story, which is saved, you need to know how to look into your Facebook story archive. We have made a video on how to look into your Facebook story archive. Can watch that video to learn how to see that. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day and peace out.